Squirrels don't hibernate. So, to get through winter, he relies on forward planning and a very good memory. In autumn, he buried about 3,000 nuts, carefully grouped according to type. Now, he must remember where he left them. To help him, his hippocampus, the part of the brain concerned with memory, has expanded. It's the same part of the brain that's first affected with Alzheimer's, and researchers are hoping we can learn more about it from studying squirrels. Whatever he's doing, it's working. Mostly. Do you ever get that feeling you're being watched? In late winter, most squirrels' stashes are empty, so thieves are always on the lookout and will steal anything they can get their paws on. Finally, he can finish his breakfast in peace. In these bitterly cold months, competition for food is at its fiercest.